Contact tracing process immediately after the first staffer tested positive this week. Health experts say it is critical to identify who may have been exposed to the virus in order to prevent further spread. 2 News reporter Leah Williamson is live after talking with Montgomery County health experts about that process.
Well, Adam, contact tracing has been very important since the beginning of the pandemic. It's been used 4 months since we've known about it. It's very important to the health and safety of the public that we be able to track and trace COVID cases. However, the process becomes much more difficult when a COVID positive person comes in contact with a large number of people. In Ohio, when a person tests positive for COVID-19, the county health department starts contact tracing right away.
Someone will contact the individual who's positive and then discuss with them what they've done in the past few days since they've tested positive and who they may come in contact with. Then that person provides a list of names, contact information, and then the contact tracers will take it from there.
Once contacted by public health, the person will be advised to quarantine for 14 days to make sure they don't also have symptoms and spread the virus to others. But coming up with a list of people you've been in contact with can be hard if you visit a lot of different places or attend events with a large number of people.
If anything, this could be a realization about the need to limit attendance at large events. So people should not be hosting large events. You should not be going to large events, because the more people you come in contact with, whether you're wearing a mask or not, that increases everybody's risk.
Health officials say masks can provide a small amount of protection if you or someone you come in contact with has the virus.
You really need to wear your mask at all times, because you never know when you may have COVID or the person that you're speaking with may have COVID. So that's the only way right now we can stop the spread of COVID, is by using masks, keeping a safe distance, and washing your hands frequently and thoroughly.
The president's son was just in Miami County this week, but Miami County Public Health tells me they're not contact tracing right now because Donald Trump Jr. did not test positive. Coming up on 5 on 2, I'll explain more about that process and how they're preparing if they need to start contact tracing in the future. But for now, reporting live, Leah Williamson, 2 News, working for you.
It's also a major